What happens when you rub a fresh aloe vera leaf on a plant stem? The answer will surprise you. Take one healthy aloe vera leaf and slice it open to reveal the gel inside. Now, gently rub that gel directly onto the stem of your plant. This simple touch strengthens the plant, shields it from stress, and creates a natural barrier that helps it thrive. The stem absorbs aloe's rich enzymes and minerals, giving it an instant boost of energy. But here's the secret most gardeners miss. Never throw away the leftover piece of aloe. Instead, bury it near the base of your plant. As it breaks down, aloe slowly releases its powerful nutrients into the soil, acting as a natural fertilizer. It enriches the roots, improves soil health, and keeps the surrounding area moist. In time, your plant not only grows stronger, but also resists pests and diseases more easily. This method is completely natural, safe, and highly effective. By combining the immediate stem application with the longer soil enrichment, you're giving your plant double protection and nourishment. So next time you cut an aloe leaf, remember, it's not just for you, it's a gift of strength and vitality for your garden too. Watch your plants respond with brighter leaves, stronger stems, and steady growth. Try it once and you'll never look at aloe vera the same way again.